Okay, hello. This is the answers for Benji quiz number 6. So, I asked you questions 1 to 5 was the Everybody Needs Good Neighbours round. I asked you to name the one nation that shared a border with all of these other nations. Question 1, I asked you which nation shares a border with Albania, North Macedonia, Bulgaria, and Turkey. A land border. These were all land borders. The answer was Greece. Greece shares a border with all of those nations. There's a little corner of Turkey on the other side of the straits there. There's the main bit of Turkey that sticks out from the Middle East, but there's that little corner which shares a border with Greece. Question 2, I asked you who shares border with Norway, Finland, Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania, Poland, Belarus, Ukraine, Georgia, Azerbaijan, Kazakhstan, China, Mongolia, and North Korea. It's got to be Russia, hasn't it? And it does have to be Russia or the Russian Federation. Soviet Union, not correct, because the Soviet Union would, A, it doesn't exist anymore, and B, it would have included places like Lithuania, Latvia, Estonia, Kazakhstan, Azerbaijan. So no points for you if you put the Soviet Union, Russia, or the Russian Federation. Question 3. Namibia, Botswana, Zimbabwe, Mozambique, Eswatini, and Lesotho all border South Africa. Question 4. The USA, Guatemala, and Belize all border Mexico. And question 5. The Dominican Republic shares a land border, and its only land border, with Haiti. They share the island of Hispaniola in the Caribbean. So the correct answer there was Haiti, or Haiti, Haiti. Know your onions. So this one had the slightly complicated mark scheme. So you get half a point for getting the odd one out right, i.e. which one was the odd one out. And you get half a point for either naming what the 3 are kinds of, or what the odd one out is a kind of. You do not get half a point each for those things. So, for example, question 6, I read you Augusta, Conference, Desiree, and Jersey Royal. You get half a point for correctly identifying Conference as the odd one out. That's half a point, that's safe, banked. Then you either get half a point for identifying the fact that Conference is a kind of pear, or half a point for identifying the fact that Augusta, Desiree, and Jersey Royal are all kinds of potato. So there's 1.5 points available there, but you can't score 1.5. You're only allowed to score 1, and half of that has to be for getting the odd one out right. I hope that makes sense. Question 7. Laxton Superb, Peasgood Nonesuch, Cox's Orange, Pippin. Well, they're all kinds of apple. So half a point if you said apple, or half a point if you said carrot, because carrot is what Purple Dragon is. And you get half a point for the fact that Purple Dragon is therefore the odd one out. Half a point for getting the odd one out, half a point for either apple or carrot. Question 8. Bok choy, red drumhead, and Savoy are all kinds of cabbage. Bok choy is just a kind of cabbage. So half a point if you said fortress, because that's the odd one out. And then half a point for either cabbage or Brussels sprout, because that's what fortress is a kind of. Question 9. Red burgundy, snow white, and yellow Ebenezer are all kinds of onion. Polish hardneck is a kind of garlic. So half a point if you said Polish hardneck, and half a point either for onion or garlic. And lastly, autumn gold, jumping jack, and magic lantern are all kinds of pumpkin. I think the clue is in the question there. Gill feather is a kind of turnip. So half a point for gill feather, and half a point for either pumpkin or turnip. Hope that all made sense. I made it way too complicated for myself. I played you the music round. The first piece, yada-dum, yada-dum, dee-da-dee-da, yada-dum, dee-da-da-da-dee-da, bom, Prokofiev. The second one, je veux vivre, dum, da-dum, dee-dee-da-da-da. That's Gounod, G-O-U-N-O-D, Gounod. Question 13. Was it that bit I played you? Hope it was. Anyway, that's Tchaikovsky. And question 4 is from West Side Story. It's Bernstein. Anyway, and the link is they're all based on the Romeo and Juliet story. Prokofiev's ballet, Romeo and Juliet, Gounod's opera, Tchaikovsky's ballet suite, Romeo and Juliet, and West Side Story is based on the Romeo and Juliet story as well. So Romeo and Juliet, all words to that effect. was the correct answer for question 15. Question 16. Who said what? He told me enough. He told me you killed him. The answer was, no, I am your father. Luke and Darth Vader, Empire Strikes Back. So anything along the lines of, no, I am your father, or no, Luke, I am your father, I'll take that. That's fine. Question 17. Hey, Doc, we better back up. We don't have enough road to get up to 88. Where we're going, we don't need roads. Back to the Future. There is a version, I think, where it says roads, where we're going. So fine with that. 18. You don't understand. I could have had class. I could have been a contender. There's a lot more of that, but I could have been a contender is all you needed. Anything else? Great, good for you. No bonus points. Question 19. What does it matter? The airplanes got him. It wasn't the airplanes. It was Beauty killed the Beast. That is the final line from King Kong. Both versions, I think. But yes, it was Beauty killed the Beast. Is the correct answer. And question 20. And as for you, my fine lady, it's true, I can't attend to you here and now as I'd like, but just stay out of my way. Just try. I'll get you, my pretty, and your little dog, too. It's the Wicked Witch of the West from The Wizard of Oz. So well done if you got reasonable marks there. I think when we did it live, the winning score was 15.5, so see how you compare to that. And yeah, hope you're enjoying. Leave me a comment, let me know how you did. Leave me a subscription, leave me a like. We like likes. Yeah, and tune in soon for another one. Bye.